How to connect Philips Air Purifier to Wi-Fi. So to be able to connect your Philips Air Purifier to your Wi-Fi, what you'll need first is your Philips Air Purifier, a smartphone or tablet, the Philips Air Plus app, a stable 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, your Wi-Fi password, a power outlet, and patience. So first, download and set up the Philips Air Plus app. Open your phone's App Store, Apple Store, or Google Play and search for Philips Air Plus. And then go ahead and power on your air purifier and enable pairing mode. So press and hold the Wi Fi button, usually near the power button, for about 3 to 5 seconds. Long press it to enter pairing mode. Now select your device in the Philips Air Plus app. So move your phone closer to the air purifier within 3 to 5 feet. Ensure the purifier's Wi-Fi light is still blinking. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone and then restart the app and retry. Now connect to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. This is where things can go sideways, especially if you don't know the difference between 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. The app will show a list of available networks, so you must select your 2.4 gigahertz network. Why? Because Philips Air Purifiers only support 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. They can't connect to 5 gigahertz bands. So if your router broadcasts both, make sure you pick the one ending 2G or 2.4 or just named differently. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Typos are the one cause of failed connection. So tap connect and wait and the app will show a loading screen. This can take up to 60 seconds. So wait for the connection confirmation and then that's it. And that is how you can easily connect your Philips Air Purifier to your Wi-Fi.